Hi guys, good morning. All right, so this is not a boring kind of a session for you guys. This is something interesting and this is something related to you guys and how you will benefit out of this. So please just give me half an hour of your time. All right. So I will take you through the entire session and then I can take your questions in the end. All right. Fine with it? Fine. Guys at the back, can you hear me? Sure. Okay. So before we start with this session, let's play a a small 2 minute game. ठीक है थोड़ा सा सब तब में थोड़ी सी वो आ रहेगी एक्टिवनेस आ रहेगी सो इफ ऑल ऑफ यू कैन स्टैंड प्लीज बैग अपने नीचे रख दो सारे अरे गाइस बातें नहीं प्लीज अच्छा अब हम एक गेम खेलेंगे 2 मिनट के लिए ऑलराइट एंड विल फॉलो द इंस्ट्रक्शंस ऑलराइट एंड वी डू इट टुगेदर ऑलराइट सो व्हेन आई आस्क यू टू सिट then please sit down. All right. When I ask you to stand, then please stand up. All right. Sit. सबको साथ में करना है. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Stand. Nice. Acha, now the opposite. If I tell you to sit, you have to stand. And when I tell you to stand, you have to sit. All right. Stand. Sit. Sit. Ah. All right. Once again. Stand. Sit. Sit. All right. Now, similarly, when I tell you to sit, you have to sit, you have to stand, sorry, and you have to raise your hand. All right. When I ask you to stand, you have to sit and you have to raise your hand. One hand. All right. Right. Sit. Stand. First, you have to sit and then you have to raise your hand together. All right. Stand. All right. Fine. Thank you so much. Up. Now, once again. Okay, guys. Good morning, everyone. So, let me first introduce myself and my colleague. So, my name is Raghav Khanna. I'm the senior manager with one of the organization called International Student Identity Card ISIC. किसने सुना इस organization के बारे में पहले? नहीं. All right. And this is my colleague, Mrs. Madhulika Gill. She's also a senior manager from PCTI. So, what this is all about is basically the International Student Identity Card, which we are basically coming to introduce to you today and telling you what exactly this is all about. So, International Student Identity Card, when I talk about that, it's a 66-year-old organization which was started by students like you back in the year 1953. So, student of 52 countries, 53 countries, sorry, came together, and student union of three different countries started this organization for the students by the students. So what exactly is the purpose of this organization? So what happened is this organization offer a very unique product for students, which is an international student identity card, which looks something like this. So this is a standard card which has been issued to students around the globe in 125 plus countries. All right. And with this one card, students get access to 1,50,000 plus benefits, or in other terms, I would say discounts in all these 125 plus countries, including India. All right. Also, this card is the only card in the world which is endorsed by UNESCO. सबने यूनेस्को का नाम सुना हुआ है, United Nations. So if you see, there's a very small logo at the bottom of the card, and this is the only card in the world which is endorsed by UNESCO, and you will find a UNESCO logo on the card. All right. So what kind of benefits are we talking about? So I will give you a gist of it, but before that, I would like to show you a very small 30-second video, a very brief introduction about the ISIC organization. सबको दिख रही है ये slide? Okay, these are few of our benefits in India. This is not the entire list, guys. So these are some of our benefits. So if I talk about Samsung is one of our benefits. So what Samsung is doing is they have created an online portal for Isaac students. Now what you can do is you go online. Once you have the card, there is a unique serial number which you have to punch in order to log in. So once you are able to log in, you can purchase any of the devices which are available. Could be a phone, could be a TV, could be a refrigerator, could be a washing machine, your speakers, your earphones, your watches, whatever is available on the portal, you can purchase and you can save up to 35%. No response. Normally, when you go to a store, and you purchase a device, how much discount do you normally get on a phone? Do you get any discount? Where do you get this discount? So is this an offer which is running every like on a for the entire year? This is festive season, right? So the one I'm talking about is for the entire year. All right. So what happened is, let's suppose I want to purchase a device. So I can go to any of the store, to Chroma store, eZone, or other stores which you are talking about. If you ask for a discount from them, they will not give you a discount. वो कहेंगे इस discount देते ही नहीं, हमारा होता ही नहीं है discounts. All right. Normally, if you go to the Samsung portal and you purchase any device, there are list of discount which is mentioned there. There are categories of discounts. So what happened is, let's suppose I want to purchase a device now. All right. The MRP, the discount, everything would be mentioned. So one thing to note here is, when I say there is a discount up to 35%, which means if you purchase something which is of a higher value, the discount would be higher. If you purchase something of lower value, the discount would be lower. Now, with most of the devices like a phone, Samsung is also offering a free insurance which is worth 1800 rupees in the, I guess 2000 rupees in the market, right? So 1800 rupees insurance is free with most of the devices. So it is mentioned just below the device which you want to purchase. उसकी डिस्क्रिप्शन में सब कुछ मेंशन होता है. नाउ लेट्स सपोज कोई कैशबैक ऑफर चल रहा है HDFC बैंक का एंड यू वांटेड टू परचेज अ फोन, तो कैशबैक ऑफर इज फॉर 3000 rupees. Alright, so you already got a discount of 3000 rupees on the phone. Now there's a cashback offer which is of 3000 rupees. So that is a discount which you will get over and above the discount which was given to you earlier. Alright, plus insurance, which I'm talking about, of 1800 rupees would be given to you over and above. So overall, mota mota bhi, you will be able to save somewhere around 3 to 4000 to 5000 rupees easily. Now tell me, do you get a discount like that in the market? Okay. So if you go to any of the Samsung stores on pan India level, they would not be aware of this discount because this is a discount which is not given to you in a store. This is a discount which is available online. So you can book your like purchase whichever you want to buy, like a phone, TV, refrigerator, whatever you want to buy. You can purchase online and they will do the delivery to your place. All right. All right. Similarly, if I give you another example, so we have Carl's Jr. सुना होगा सबने? So you get a discount there at Carl's Jr.'s as well, wherein you get a 15% discount when you go and purchase a burger. All right, you show this card to them and they give you a discount. If you go to any of the Apollo pharmacy in Pan India, you get a discount there. We have incorporated our discount in the POS. So before you make the payment, they give you a bill. In the bill, there would be a discount already done. Then, how many of you have been to Lux Salon or Lakme Salon? All right. So we also have a discount with Lux Salon, Lakme Salon, VLCC. Then there are a lot of online discounts which we have. So if I give you an example, Trend Rest is there, Lulu and Sky Girls. I'm sure you might have heard about Lulu and Sky. So we have a discount with Lulu and Sky. This is an online discount. So we have different categories of discount. One is our global discount, which is available in all these countries. So which means when you have this card has a validity of 12 months. So which means you can avail all the benefits which are available in India. Now let's suppose you are going to Dubai. So you can carry this card with you and you can avail all the benefits in Dubai. Now you're traveling to US. You carry this card with you, you can avail all the benefits in US. If you're going to Europe, you can use all the benefits available in Europe. So once you have this card for 12 months, you can avail benefits in all these countries, including India. So these are the global benefits. Then one is the national benefits, or we can say the premium benefits in India, wherein we bring in the premium partners. All right, this is another thing. Now the third thing which we bring on is the local discounts. Now what are the local discounts? Local discounts are those discounts which we onboard near your campus. Now let's suppose you go to a local cafe here, or you go to a local stationery shop to buy some stationery, or you go to a local bookstore to go and buy some books, or any place which you go where you basically go on a regular interval. All you have to do is you tell us about those places, and we go and speak to that partner and we onboard that for you. So let's suppose you're going to a local cafe where you're spending around 2000 rupees with your friends. Four of you went there and you're spending 2000 rupees. Now imagine if you tell us about that place and we are able to onboard that for you, and they give you a discount of, let's suppose, 20%. So how much money you are saving there? 400 rupees. And now this is not one time. This is for the entire year. Now imagine if you go 3 times or 4 times in a year, you're saving a lot of money over there, correct? Now I have one question for you guys. Uh, I want to understand how much monthly pocket money or how much monthly expenses do you spend generally? I'm just asking for an average. All right, so an average amount, how much do you spend on a like monthly expenses? 9,000. All right, 5,000. At the back, please, guys. Sorry, 10,000. All right. कितना स्पेंड करते हो आप लोग अपनी पॉकेट मनी पे या अपनी मंथली एक्सपेंसेस में? Not the pocket money. How much do you monthly what is your monthly expense? Just an idea. I'm not asking for the exact amount. Just an idea. Girl at the back. Yes. How much do you spend? Sorry? All right. Let's take an average. Let's take an average of 5,000 rupees. Not 10,000. Let's take an average of 5,000 rupees. So if you spend 5,000 rupees in a month, which means how much do you spend in a year? 60,000 rupees. Right? What if I tell you using this card you can save a minimum of 10%? I'm not saying 20%, 30%, 40%. I'm saying a minimum of 10%. How much would that be? 6,000 rupees. Correct? So do you think it's a value for money if you're able to save that kind of money? Yes or no? नहीं. At the back, no response. मेरी आवाज आ रही सब तक पीछे? क्या आपको लगता है कि अगर आप 6,000 पे बचा सकते हो तो it's a value for money for you? All right. Now tell me one more thing. How many of you have a parents insurance? Like आपके parents ने आपके लिए medical insurance कराई हुई है? If you can raise your hand.